Creating a personality quiz in Outgrow is easier than you might think, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're a marketer looking to engage your audience or a business owner trying to collect valuable insights, Outgrow has you covered. First off, if you're new to Outgrow, it's an interactive content platform that allows you to create quizzes, calculators, surveys, and other engaging tools to drive conversions and gather valuable customer data. One of the most popular features on Outgrow is its personality quiz creator, and I'll walk you through how to get started with that right now. To begin, head over to your Outgrow dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on Create New and select Personality Quiz from the options. This template is specifically designed to engage your audience with a series of questions that lead to a personalized result. It's a powerful way to capture attention and boost engagement. Plus, you can customize it to match your brand and style. Next, it's time to add questions. Outgrow offers a variety of question formats, from multiple choice to image-based questions. For a personality quiz, I recommend using multiple choice questions to segment your audience into different personality types. For example, you might ask, which of these colors best describes your mood? With options like red, blue, or yellow, these answers will help define the outcome of the quiz and segment your audience accordingly. Once your questions are ready, Outgrow makes it simple to define the results. For each combination of answers, you can create a unique result. Let's say your quiz is about determining your audience's ideal vacation type. If someone chooses beach for their first question and adventure for the second, you can tailor their result to something like tropical beach getaway. Each result can include personalized recommendations or a call to action that drives your business goals. Now let's talk design. Outgrow offers easy customization options, allowing you to tweak the colors, fonts, and even upload your own images to make sure your quiz matches your branding perfectly. You don't need to be a designer to make it look good. The platform does all the heavy lifting for you. You can also preview the quiz as you build it, so you can make sure everything flows smoothly. After your quiz is set up and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to launch it. Outgrow offers several options for sharing your quiz. You can embed it directly on your website, share it via a link, or even integrate it into your social media campaigns. With Outgrow's integrations, you can automatically send leads to your email marketing tools or CRMs, making follow-up a breeze. But what about getting started without spending any money? You can actually use Outgrow completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses that will give you access to premium features at no extra cost. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. Now, if you followed along so far, you've seen just how easy it is to create a personality quiz in Outgrow. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up a quiz that not only engages your audience, but helps you gather meaningful data and boost your business. And don't forget, by using the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Outgrow. That means you can test the software for longer, see how it works for your business, and start collecting data right away. By the way, if you want to take your quiz to the next level, Outgrow also lets you track responses and view detailed analytics. This helps you understand which personality types are most common among your audience, and you can use this data to refine your marketing strategy moving forward. So there you have it. Creating a personality quiz in Outgrow is a powerful way to engage your audience and gather valuable insights. Remember, if you want to start using Outgrow for free, click the link below to get started and claim your exclusive bonuses.